YouTube. We're here, guys. Happy Thursday? Yes, sir. Thursday, 10:23. Here, guys. Getting set up. Like always. Same day. Different day, same routine. Got my ES charts up here. Friday high, spread 4 hour longs pretty much going on right now. On the ES. Watching the NQ and YM. They're kind of switching back and forth between the leader and the lagger right now. Open the bell might have made it explode.
Let's see where it's at.
Ooh, YM took off. Took off, man. Buyers is there. The buyers were there. Cumulative the CBD showed that shit. Going to nothing and coming back, and while the stock's pumping, it's like, bro, up 4%. Yeah, USCR's up 4%. I'm like, bro, Robinhood, who are you gonna let buy these? Like, yeah, give me 5 of these for $1. Fucking stupid ass niggas. Yeah, continue, put the bid in. Oh yeah, you don't want to sell it for that. You want to sell it for 5. Man, fuck that, bro.
They're above me for 5. They're gonna jump back up.
I'm finna get him. I'm getting 5 for 5, man. For real, feel me. I love that. Stupid ass niggas. Now then it automatically jumps as soon as I put the fucking bid in. Crazy. Guys to love no volume options. Niggas suck the volume. Alright, what are we looking at here? Dun, 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 dun. Silly goose. They got violated.
500 calls,
Lost it all.
Yeah.
That shit ain't moved, man.
Texas Instrument Code 75 yesterday, it's 94 today.
Okay.
We still got 1219, 25 for
1219. Texas
Instrument.
Instrument 25. Silly goose and plums, just fun. Alright, guys, about to finish up my one plan. Watching the options market as well and some option plays. Alright, so we got a spread on this 4-hour candle. Alright, so 4-hour Friday high longs. Spread 4-hour. Thursday high short, so once it breaks this, I don't know. Buyers fucking stepped in. Market is most stocks are green right now. As of right now. Silly Goose and Thorns, this is fun shit. Still making new ass. What time is it? We got plenty of time. Alright. Sit back and relax here. Wait about another 13 minutes before I get these official spokes. Anybody lagging the move? Everybody popping. Lions back lagger.
Yeah, Lions back lagger.
Lion got a SL4 of 46,648. Get in around 750. It's not too bad. Yeah, stop under 650. Value. Buyers right out the gate. Right out the gate. Yeah, and the delta's behind it. This is a real move. This is a real move. Alright guys, gonna pull up some Top Step TV, see what these boys are on. Waiting to finish up our signals here, and that's about it, guys. We're here.
To it. So they need to know what CPI is. Non-farm is just for our entertainment, so we won't have that. Although we might get double non-farms.
Whoa!
When this reopens.
Wow.
I've never had delayed gratification, Andre.
Yeah. 2 non-farms, 1 trading day. That would be insane.
They might spread them out, but they will come quickly. The last time, this will soon be the longest government shutdown, I think at 35 days. But the last time they released non-farm 5 days after we reopened.
Okay. So it could be a Tuesday. It could be a Monday for all we know. Again, this is for the September jobs. This is supposed to come out the first Friday of every month. Never got it in October, but it would be the jobs report for September. And continue to push higher here in the ES 6750. Last trade there. NASDAQ following suit as well. 5,075. Again, we have 73% long on the tilt in the NASDAQ. Average price of 5,040. About 30 points in the money. That 900 lot shows back up on the ask in NASDAQ. 6753. 5 points higher. So Jacob, in terms of your trade, your setup, you sit down. Do you sit down for the opening bell? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Are you in your chair? Are you in front of your screen for every opening bell when you do take this approach, or are you just doing it because you're on Top Step TV?
Yeah, I'm not doing it when on my own. I will be at my computer maybe around 10 my time. So in 20 minutes, usually I'm at my setup. So right now I'm just staying here with you and talking and waiting for my setup.
Excellent. That offer is now up to 1,500. 1,500 offered at 67.53 in the ES. About 7 points higher from where we're trading right now. It's on the ask on the offer.
We use the quotum for clarity. You sell at you pay for.
That's right. Price for quantity for bids, quantity at price. Selling.
So you sell 1,000 at 67.50. You pay 750 for. Oh, sorry, you pay it for that number.
Price on quantity. Yes. Jack, it took me about, when I was clerking on the floor and had to learn all that, it took me 6 weeks to really ingrain that in my head. Practice in the mirror. Work on that.
Yeah.
Work on that.
Quantity at I was screamed at over the phone on many a night until it clicked, but it eventually does.
It took me about 4 months to realize that you cannot sell an offer and you cannot buy a bid. What a market. I had to wrap my head around that for quite some time. I was about 17 years old back at the time. We're closing in on that 1,500 lot. Again, offered in the ES, about 5 points higher right now. So we trade 67.48. Looks like NASDAQ's going to try to keep pushing higher here. 25,078. And fast markets did begin. Yeah, we're about 70 points in the NASDAQ. Closing on the 1,500 lot. Will it get filled? First two size offers did get pulled, but those were about 700, 800. Let's ask. And all those 1,000 lots, and we did see a 1,500 lot were on the bids yesterday. Right around these prices, actually. Still got long tilt in the NASDAQ. 71%. Gold, very volatile day. Yesterday, big range. Yeah, not as big as yesterday. Still a pretty good range. We're looking at about $70 range overnight. We're kind of trending towards the highs, about $6 off the highs in gold, 41.61.
Someone was asking about the commissions on 1,500 ES. I can confirm
Depends who it is.
that if you trade enough, the exchanges will bring you dinner in the middle of the night. That's how you know when you're flipping a lot of contracts.
He's not kidding. He's not kidding. Well, the dinner part is, but there are incentives for volume. Let's go that way. There are incentives for volume to be traded. Let's see if I want to go to the push here. We're about 15 minutes into the open. House account is flat. And that crude oil headline has stopped out. See it go back higher again. A little bit of a pullback here in the NASDAQ. An overnight VWAP, I have Jacob in the NASDAQ. I have a 25,034. Are you using New York session VWAP or overnight VWAP? Just to...
it's the in-core one. I'm not quite sure which one it is, but yeah, I do believe it's overnight, not just like New York.
What price do you have for your VWAP?
I have 25,035.
Very good, same.
Yeah.
All right, pushing higher here in the ES, closing in that 1,500 lot, about 3 points away. 67.50.
Andre, can I say something?
Please, of course.
Yeah, I just want to thank you guys for entertaining us like every day. Jack and Andre, you guys are doing an amazing job.
Thanks,
and
man.
yeah, I just want to tell you.
Man, I love you, Jacob. Even more checks in the mail, my friend.
My heart.
Okay, yeah, appreciate. Thank you so much, man. Love it. You guys are the star, man. You guys are the traders. Come on here and do it day in and day out. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself. And closing on that 1,500 lot. Point and a half to go. And filled. 1,500.
Ooh. All right, we popped the overnight. Yes. Got a few stops there, it looks like.
Markets have taken off, guys.
Nice. Jacob, got some swag. Got some swag coming your way as well, so keep an eye out for that.
I can do.
Thank you.
Yes, Jacob, they're asking, where are you from, my friend? They want to get to know Jacob Trades. Where are you from? A little bit more about your story. We're pushing higher here, but quickly, tell us about Jacob Trades. Where are you from?
Yeah, from Canada, so Montreal. I'm French Canadian, and yeah, I'm 22 years old, and I started trading.
That's it right there, bro.
1 year ago. So yeah.
Incredible. Young guns, Jack. 1,000 lot. 1,000 lot offer is 67.59 half. Yes, about 2.5 points higher. They scalping these, Jack. The size of yesterday was all bid.
Is who scalping what?
These 1,000 lots.
No, I mean
today's all asked.
Almost, I don't know the person, so I can't say, but they're almost certainly hedges for other positions.
46, 647.
Yeah, scalping 1,000 lots.
Alrighty.
It could be.
Price took off, opening bell, boys.
110, just put two eyes. 25,000, 120.
Yeah, this shit.
75% long on the tilt.
It's gonna be in a short position. Where stocks are looking, I'm not shorting this shit.
40. What's in the money right now?
Yep. Shit back in line.
All right. I love that 1,000 lot, just one tick above the high of the day.
Hell no. Look at the stocks. For real, this is where the delta comes in.
It's like, yeah, nigga, real buyers behind this shit.
Existing home sales, Jack, that used to be one
same
of
thing,
the
same versus
numbers,
yesterday.
man, back in,
You know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, that shit.
Yeah, you're a relic of 2008.
Showing that
aren't
sellers
you?
are going with sellers. It's
Uh-huh.
like, yeah, you
Man,
can just
Jack,
sit
when
back and wait for that to change.
Yeah, when I still see those numbers,
Even no point in getting in front of that.
all that stuff. Philly Fed, that used to be a number that mattered. It changed. Nasdaq tilted, pulled back down to 63%. A 15-point pull back in the Nasdaq.
So we got 1,200 lot. Oh, Hoop, not somebody. Hoop, 1,200 lot. The NQ at 25,115.
Really? All right. Yes, sure is. Wow. Sure is. 3 points higher here. Nice catch. Hoop. That is massive size for that NQ. Wow, 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 wow. Holy, that is huge for that NQ. Oh, filled. My goodness, they just blew right through that thing. Huge. And we are pushing right through that sucker. All the way up to 25,120.
It was hiding from me.
115. That's massive size. Let's trade 25,118. And no, up to the 23s now. This thing is flying around. 25,113. Number top of the hour.
Alright, guys. Price just took off at the open. About to get my signal here shortly. Looks like YM is the lagger. It's about 200 points away from where I would like to buy it, so. Yep. Jeez, NASDAQ took off, eh? Just broke Asia London high. Jeez. Yes, it took off, man. That shit took off, boy. PG game. Last week high shorts spread 4 hour. That shit what? pushing P. You see over here the CVD on these candles. The delta is behind this move, so it's real buyers. It's not a fake out like it's been. No fake out here. These are real buyers. Real buyers. Every product, delta is behind this move. So it's good, man. Good. We have a nice green day. A couple of my plays bouncing on some Oracle calls, bouncing off the level. Amazon calls bouncing off the level. I mean, USAR getting pretty smacked right now, but got 30 days on it, so I'm not tripping. All right, that's about to be a chill day for me. I'm about to roll up, man. Nothing for me to do here. Not about to donate in front of these buyers and try to sell last week highs. It's getting fucking cracked. Path of least resistance, boy. Don't be a hero. Don't be a fucking hero, man. Yeah, it went crazy. Those buyers really, for real. But that's what niggas want to see. Yeah. It's like niggas see that delta, niggas see that red candle on that delta, they ain't waiting on that. They popping that bitch on because it just shows the buyers are there behind. Cool beans, man. Not my ball. Just finished my process. About to chill out. Little nigga holiday. Definitely not the day to force nothing. Day to go with the fucking flow. Yeah, just send a limit up. Let niggas know where they need to get in so they ain't chasing this shit. Man. That's about it, man. Where I just can't get with these, like when that happens, I'm gonna miss my flight. It's like I don't trade right after opening bell. I trade the 4 hour. Yeah, I trade the 4 hour. Yeah, right idea. Had the right idea. Look, just happened. Move just happened. Like 15 minutes, bro. Alright, now 54. Last week's high, pulling back. XL 4-hour. 46, 638. Previous day low. Right here. Man, that shitting on the option markets, man. Fuck it.
Dicks as fuck.
Like, I don't know what they did. It's crazy. Nah, it's just like all of them just wonky right now. Yeah. Oracle up 2% and my contract's down 20%. Fucking USAR. There's no volume in the contracts. Gotta be with it. Up on the road. That's the thing. Just wanna focus. Yep, last week high. Spread 4 hour. Last week high short. SL 4 hour previous day low ones. Yesterday was 58. 58. Alright, YM. One big YM limits 46, 730. Boy, it's trading this sucker. 6 shorts. 4 hour. 6. 10 a.m. 46. 8:20. 46, 7:30. Alright, yeah, that's me. 54 seconds. Alright, candle close. Let me set. 46, 7:30. That's me, guys. Buying previous day low, YM. Everything else is taking the lead, taking off. Yes, already at Tuesday high. Check his specs out. As you can see on the 4 hour on YM, it just closed over another demand level with that candle. So might not pull back, but that's where I need to be to catch the long. So that's about it, man. Where I need to be to catch the longs. Yeah, last week high short on ES. Play right now. 10 points away from there. It's in a short location, but the path of least resistance is definitely to the upside today. So. Yeah, it's on both ends right now. So anchor yourself to YM. You got the last week high shorts, 100 points away. Monica, what else can you? What I say about my shorts? Yes, only trading location shorts. Yeah, 67.59. Tuesday high, 67.66. Last week high shorts. Yeah, that's what it's saying. Be right now. SL 19. Take 57 and 19. Yeah, definitely got the option to do that. Yeah, it's right here. Fucking do we wait for the pullback? You got one? Alright, cool. Alright, just entered last week high shorts in one account. Figured out the signal and the location. Watching YM for a pullback to around the 730 area for the longs. Yeah, that's about it, man. Spread 4 hour last week high. Short. Yes. One account, 1 hour. Watch, still got your line limit? Yeah, they can. Alright, just broke 800. Just watch that sucker. Where you break even at one? Yeah, short. 47.50. Alright, cool, right here. Alright, good. We should get that. Yeah, you take the quick one on there. Looking at this bottom, man. Yeah, this is the trade. Yeah, it's presenting on YM2. Just take it and call it a day. Alright, I'm out.
Order filled.
It's me for the day, dog. Alright, yeah, you can leave that one on the side, boss. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, because it's gonna, you wanna take it off and then just watch it, because then you don't want to be in a short and then it'll snatch you into a position.
LT. Yeah, so
short ES. Let me see if it's too far behind. Stop just gotta be over 66. Stop needs to be over 66. Yes. Yeah, you got two accounts over there, right? Alright, just take this on one of your accounts.
So they go 8 micro, stop over 66.
Yeah, go MES, 8 lots, just sell market, and stop over 66. Try to catch it before it breaks 50. Share your screen with me. You know how to do that. Slide up on the bottom and hit share screen. Yeah, because it should be, if you look at my screen, like I'm on MES right now, and then you should be able to just add, you should just be able to add up to 8 lots. You see it on the bottom there with the plus and minus. Okay, and now you see the bottom down here, plus and minus. You see I got the lots going up and down. You see how it says set on the bottom right, it says sell 8. Little red box, you should see sell 8. So you can adjust that with the little plus and minuses down here. Oh, let me go look. Alright, yeah, okay. Alright, so MES, and then you see the plus and minuses right here on the right, on your order sheet. So that's your order sheet right here, over here. Yeah, this side right there. So then keep going down. You see right there, where there go 1, 3, 5, 10, and 15. That's where you, oh my bad, I got covering it. You see the 1, 3, 5, 10, and 15 part right there? Yeah, the little circles in the middle. Alright, so that's where you choose your lot size. So choose 5 for me. Hit 5. And then hit the plus button over there 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Go one more. Hit the plus one more time. And then hit sell. Sell market. Right there. Alright, now let me see your screen and make sure it should have spit out stop loss and everything. Make sure you're on the MES chart. Just choosing. Okay, there you go. Okay.
Yeah, stick it to me.
Alright, 500. Okay, good. And TP set. Alright, perfect. Alright, cool. Got you at 62. Alright, hit go back to the circle part right here. Where we adjust the lot size. Hit 1. Hit 1 on the lot size. 1. And then press buy 1. Buy 1 market. I'm gonna take 1 off. Okay. Alright, now let me see your screen again. That's your risk 437. Alright, cool. Now tap that risk up there and drag it over 66. I need it over 66. Okay.
From the break even.
Alright, cool. Alright, perfect. We all set too.
45.50 break even. It'll do that shit,
Yeah, cause that's your order book and then it's your chart book. So it's gonna be it's always gonna be different. So just get in the habit of checking your charting book. I mean checking your order book. Your order book's the main thing.
Right? You got a compound amount here.
Alright, cool.
TP1.
Yeah, my bad.
I'm breaking even. Breaking even.
Alright, I'm taking profit.
Take a compound here.
Yeah, I'm taking compound in the compound account. Yeah, how did that go to 372?
It kind of just bounced a little bit.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, it's a compound account. TP1 hits and then close.
Alright, I'm flying out of it. Alright, I got a runner here for the. Season good, everybody's good. Alright, cool. Alright, yeah, T. So yeah, just always check that top part of your order book. It's where your this right quadrant right here, this right section is where you're gonna be doing most of your business. You know what I mean? So just always change it in there first. Make sure if you call out MES, just make sure you're in MES on that first, and then you can go and change your chart to, you know what I mean, to match what you're looking at. Yeah, so it's all good. We just bouncing back and forth between the mini and the big anyway, so it should be. It's just focus on the order book part, and then you'll always be able to change the chart. You know what I mean? Once we get in the trading business. Alright, cool. Alright, so we good to go. Your entry is right at 50. Your break even is going to be right at 40. So if you want to take a little horizontal line and mark 67.40, but once you get to this, once we print a price at 67.40, then I want you to break even. So you see where your P&L is right there. It's showing on top of the circles that we were just messing with. So it's a little button next to it that says BE. It's not available yet because you're in the red. But once it gets in the green, and once we get that 67.40 print, all you got to do is reach over and hit that BE button. And then the market's going to do the rest. We got the target set, everything set. It's all good. Alright, cool. And we might compound at BE. We might take a 1-to-1, which is 500. And if we do, then I'll send you an alert to just go ahead and close the position completely. Alright, that's good. But I'll be here if you got any questions. Alright, good work, boys. Shout out to Signal. Took them TP1 take already on one account. Break even right now in this account. So risk is off. Trade in for the day. 1500 TP before a London low. Pretty stiff on my shorts right now. If I got a short at a location based off my trading plan that I post every night, then I gotta take it. It was right on it. Had to take it. Spread 4 hour gave it. So got in, took a TP1. If price reverses, breaks me even, then take a step back and then see what's going on. But as of right now, it's me for the day. About 300 so far. All the Lions at my entry. Lions at 7:30. 7:30. This is not no frothy move. Got Delta behind it. I wait for a signal. Yeah, this is big sellers. There's sellers behind this move. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just watching the news. Kind of like that. Close to getting the fill, not quite. Yeah, we just would have got it for something. You sure you want to take profits from school? I can. These shorts, do they last long? Alright, I'm gonna take profit here. I just took 350 on the short. Gonna readjust here. Right here. Under the lows. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take it. Where's T at?
Order filled.
She's in at 50. MES. It's at 50. Told her to close it, get in line. It's right at 50 right now. Shift gears. Go ahead and close that micro. And we're about to take our YM on. Hurry up, just quick. Oh, you're in profit though, you should be fine. Yeah, you're in profit. So whoa, seller just came in. Really? Big sellers? Big sellers. Oh, wow, keep it to heavy. Where's your break even? Her break even's at 40? Yeah, break even's at 40. Alright, tell her to take Cho. Alright, go ahead, take profit too. Take profit. Okay, alright, good. Alright, go YM, big YM, and do one lot long for me. Yeah, one contract buy.
What's getting hit?
Yeah, Lions. One second. Yeah, go ahead, Chief. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, go ahead. It's low enough. One lot, one YN. Stop needs to be under. Where it needs to be under, bro? 650. Alright, I'm at 630. Alright, cool. Yeah, it should be well under that. Alright, yeah. Alright, you did. That's good. Alright, that's me for the day. Right, cool. If I get hit, I'll be down like 200. Alright, cool. What's your exact entry, T? 693. Alright, your break even is gonna be at 793, 46,793. You can risk off by then, hit that B button, and then the 2-to-1 is gonna be at 893, so pretty much 46,900. So you got a 100-point break even, you got a 200-point take profit. Okay, so it's gonna be the parameters already has got you sitting at a 1,500 take profit. You can leave that there, but that's 300 points. That's a 3-to-1. So when profit gets to 1,000 plus, then you can take profit whenever you get ready. But at least take that 1,000. Either take the 1-to-1, the 100-point, which is 500. You take the 1,000 at 200, or you can diamond fist and hold to the 3-to-1. That's gonna be kind of up to you. But it's been kind of a 1-to-1 market, not gonna lie. So 1-to-1s have been good, and 2-to-1s you just gotta get more 2-to-1s than 1-to-1s for a good risk to reward ratio. So yeah, those are kind of you just really got 3 options when it comes to take profit. Break even first, that's the main thing, and then after that you can decide if you want to take 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1. Yeah, the 100 points is going to be your break even point, which is just 100 points from you. Right under
yeah, 793, right under
40, right under 46.8. And then so on and so forth. So add another 100, and that's going to be 2-to-1, right under 46.9, and then the 3-to-1 should be right under 47,000. Alright, cool. I'll be here though. It's getting a little sloppy, but yeah, it's a little sloppy, but I got my stop extended because I got this money in the pocket, so I end up with a $400 day. Stop under ancient low. Yeah, this is. I'm just in this other account. Other one padded. All right, great. All right, cool. So we just switched gears. Took the YM longs. We're at the SL 4-hour location. Gonna go with the trend of the market. Took a nice 1-to-1 pretty much on the short. Now I got that risk on this trade as of right now to get my stop under London low while price kind of deviates a little bit. And then I'll bring it in once I add in after price gets to break even. So all in all, good trade. Took 2 trades right off the signal. Very happy we got into that short. And yeah, that's just easy. ES shorts are easy. If it's a good location for a ES short, I can take that confidently. So that was great. Took a TP1 on that in 1 account, and now we're in the YM longs in 2 accounts. Yeah, man. So good day so far. Good day so far, man. Gonna let these play out for the remainder of the day. Not gonna make any more moves. Price is pulling back. Delta is bouncing up a little bit, so it's looking good. Yeah, so we'll just see if price is gonna continue to sell and break previous day low, or if we're gonna catch a bid here. ES has to catch some legs before it hits the SL 4-hour at 19. If it tries to reach down and catch that low, then we're probably gonna get stopped out. MQ. Alright, MQ. Yeah, MQ is pretty much at its SL 4-hour. Friday high longs. Hit last week high, rejected. Yeah, we should be fine. Okay. Alright, so that was a good pullback after the open, so that was great. I like the motion of that for real. On playback, it's gonna be very good to see in playback. Taking that ES short. Getting out that TP1. It's just that thing that like it's always something like what do I do right now? It's like it's choosing not to do something, So it's like if you can get in and out a trade, if you can execute, then you're fine, bro. If you can get in a trade and get out of a trade when the mood changes, then you're good. You're golden. So you're golden. Just you're golden, bro. Just gotta trust. Just gotta trust what you're doing. Yeah, just gotta trade the market is when you trust what you're doing. Fucking fly.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, that's it. You know, Alright guys, I'm out, man. It's gonna be a day. It's a real nigga holiday, man. Happy birthday, Mom. Rest in peace. I love you guys. I'm out. Appreciate all my supporters. Yeah, man. Back tomorrow. Shout out Pardon. Shout out Twin Peaks Traders. Love you guys. Thanks for all the support, man. The dream continues. I'm out. See y'all tomorrow, man.